I'm ready when you guys are.
I put this as lesson 12 as the title, but it's not. Yeah. Okay, I am ready.
I'm good.
All right, so let's get started with question 3 right off the bat, shall we?
Yes.
Okay. Which requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? Mark all that apply. So like with most things, we need a simple random sample. And we definitely want our sample means to be normally distributed for each group.
Yep.
And the other two do
That's
not matter. So it's A and B.
Yep.
that's in 4.
The question number 3.
That's it.
And then number 4, the test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples is a t-score.
Yay, it's still t-score.
And if it's okay with you guys, can we just go through like we did on Monday where we just answer all of them and then do questions at the end? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, Brad, do you want to read question 5?
Two samples are independent of. I think it's B for boy.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, information. For the next 6 questions, use the data file dentist office bills. This data represents a simple random sample of dentist bills at a dentist office in Idaho Falls and a dentist office in Rexburg. Let mu1 be the mean bill at the Idaho Falls office and let mu2 be the mean bill at the Rexburg office. Perform a hypothesis test to determine the mean if the mean bill of the Idaho Falls post office is less than the mean bill of the Rexburg office, which means we have the null hypothesis, mu1 is equal to mu2, and the alternative hypothesis that mu1 is less than mu2. Use the level of significance of alpha equals 0.1.
So let me pull up my Excel sheet. And we're doing a two sample t-test. Here we go.
2 sample.
Okay.
So it's a 0.9 confidence level, less than, and we are not assuming equal variances.
Less than and no. And so the degrees of freedom is 37.996.
Yep.
And then sample standard deviation for Rexburg.
I got 206.637.
Yep.
And all right, Brad, do you want to read question 8?
What if the test statistics round to the 3 decimal places? Show all. Showing the folder.
Brad, did you find that one?
I'm downloading it right now. Because my computer case allowed for it to download. Okay. Mhm. Mm. Is it 76? 76?
No, I got negative 0.434. So we plug in our Idaho Falls stuff to the into our 2-sample t-test, right? And our t-value is in cell E23.
So
So for my t-value, I got negative 0.434.
yep, I got that. And then for the p-value, I got 0.333.
Do you see how I did that, Brad?
I was like, because my computer goes slow, like
Mhm.
download. I trying to download it. The then spell like okay. I'm guessing number 10. We just the null hypothesis.
We fail to reject because our p-value is greater than our a value, which was 0.1.
And number 11, I got B for boy.
Yep, B2.
That's perfect.
Number 12, I got the letter A.
12, I got B.
Correct, it is B. Because the null is that it's equal to.
That's not it doesn't have to do with the null, it has to do with the question. And it's just the first sentence. You suspect from the second paragraph that freshmen from Utah cook dinner for themselves a different number of times. Not more times or less times, but a different number. So it's just not equal.
The one I didn't hear you guys' answer on was number 10. Did you guys get for this one that we, let's see here, we failed to reject?
Yep, that's what I got.
And then are you guys ready for number 13?
Yep. What is the test statistic?
I got that it's 0.845.
Now you want to be careful with this one because the way that it's worded,
Oh,
it doesn't want to copy directly over. It wants a second column copied to the first and the.
wait, say that one more time.
So with this one, we're pasting students from Colorado in the first column, students from Utah in the second column of our two sample for test means.
So it's actually negative 0.845.
Yeah.
And the p-value is 0.20.
Sorry about that. I'm back. Yeah. Now that's showing up, right?
More fun. Yeah.
So it's a not equal to test. So I got, for question 14, what is the p-value? I got 0.411.
Is that 0.205?
You want to change it to a not equal to test instead of a less than or greater than.
You're right. And so in that case, we're going to go ahead and fail to reject now.
We'd want 0.04 if we were going to reject. So, but that's definitely large enough to fail to reject. Okay. So we failed to reject. So question 13, determine the margin of error. That is really odd to me. Okay.
You ready for 16?
Yeah, I'm ready to pump out the answer real quick. I hope.
So for 16, we're just doing. I'm going to copy it. So for that one, I got the margin of error. Is that just where's that? Does that not show up on this on Excel?
No, the margin of error doesn't show up. You have to figure it out. Let's see.
I think you add them up on both sides and you minus it.
Yeah, so this is really odd because I'm not entirely sure how we determine the midpoint of our margin of the midpoint for our confidence interval because I thought it was. Oh, I'm using the wrong one, I think. Never mind. I'll be quiet and I think I have it figured out. I'll have it in a second. Okay, so for the margin of error, I got 3.032.
On 3.0232.
3.032.
Right.
Okay, thank
And the-
you
and the lower
so
bound-
much for telling me that.
Can you tell her you're welcome, Daniel?
Sorry about that. That sounds good. You say you're welcome for that.
Sorry,
That was
sorry,
perfect
sorry.
timing. So, for the lower bound and upper bound, the lower bound I got negative 5.147.
And I have negative 4.498.
Oh, maybe I subtracted wrong.
Well, it should be on the lower bound of the confidence interval on your two sample test, t-test.
But it's not equal to, and the confidence interval is 0.95, and we're not assuming equal variances, right?
Let's see. That's what, yeah. I didn't change my confidence level back, so negative 5.147.
Yep, and I got for the upper bound, I got 2.214. The only one that I wanted to check my answer on number 15. I put fail to reject.
That's what I put. And seeing as I just changed the confidence interval, I think I have the margin of error wrong. So what did you get for the margin of error? For 16?
I think I actually have to recalculate mine first because I did the same thing. I answered the margin of error first and then didn't even think twice, but then I fixed it for the for the upper and lower bounds. So I'm gonna have to
Both did the
recalculate.
wrong thing.
Yeah. It should just be. Let's see here.
All right, I have 3.681.
Wait, what'd you get?
3.681.
Let me double check on the last part. Yes.
Okay.
That worked.
All right, Brad, do you have all the answers?
That's number 6, 37.396.
37.996.
And number 7, 206.637.
Yep.
Number 8, negative 0
Hey, just
Point.
FYI, my computer might die.
Okay.
434.
Yep.
Number 9, 0.333.
Yep.
Number 10 is B for boy.
That's what I got.
Number 11, boy. B for boy.
We got
12.
100%.
12 is B for boy. 13, negative 0.845.
Yep.
Number 14, I got 0.417.
0.411.
0.441.
No, 1 4 2 ones. 411.
Is there a 0? Is
No,
there a
one.
0?
1 0, then your period,
One.
then 1 4, and then 2 ones. So 0.411.
0.411.
Yep.
Number 15, A for boy.
No,
Like
that
A-
one
A
is
for
B. B for boy.
B. That's for 15. Number 16, 3.302.
Nope, it is 3.681.
3.681.
Yep.
Number 17, negative 4.498.
No, it's negative 5.147.
Negative 5.047.
It's not a 0, it's a 1.
147.
So negative 5.147.
And number I didn't say number 9. And number 18, 3.381.
No, 18 was 2.214.
2.41.
2.214.
Did that one?
Okay.
I did good on the homework. For chapter 13. Took me a couple hours just to figure it out.
Anything else we have to do, guys? Or any questions?
I don't have any.
Has anyone completed yet?
Sorry, Brad. I was just asking if you have any questions.
I'm saying no for now.
Okay.
I'm saying okay right now.
Okay. Well, let's plan on meeting on Tuesday. Should we come prepared to do both of them?
Yeah, let's try to do both of them again.
Sounds good.